Ever yawn just because you saw someone else do it? It's a common and fascinating experience that makes us wonder why our bodies react this way. Yawning is a reflex observed in many animals. It involves a deep, wide breath, stretching facial and jaw muscles, then a slow exhalation. The scientific study of this mysterious reflex is called cosmology. Researchers explore fascinating theories about why we yawn, trying to uncover its true purpose. One popular idea suggests yawning helps cool our brains. It does this by increasing blood flow to the head and bringing in a rush of cooler air. Studies show we yawn less when outside temperature is similar to our body temperature. This supports the brain cooling theory, suggesting our bodies regulate heat. For a long time, many believed yawning meant our bodies needed more oxygen, especially when tired or bored. This was a common assumption. However, modern research challenged this belief. Studies show changing oxygen or carbon dioxide levels doesn't significantly affect how often we yawn. Therefore, the idea that yawning is primarily about getting more oxygen is now largely considered a myth, debunked by science. Another theory proposes yawning helps stretch our lungs and muscles. This action can temporarily increase heart rate and blood pressure, helping us feel more alert and awake. Some scientists suggest it might be a protective reflex, helping redistribute a special substance called surfactant within our lungs, which helps them work better. But here's an interesting twist. What about contagious yawning? Why do we often find ourselves yawning automatically when we see or hear someone else do it? This fascinating phenomenon of contagious yawning is strongly linked to special cells in our brains called mirror neurons. These neurons play a key role in imitation. Mirror neurons are incredible because they activate in our brains not only when we perform an action, but also when we observe someone else performing that same action. Contagious yawning is also deeply connected to empathy, our ability to understand and share feelings. We are more likely to catch a yawn from people we feel a strong emotional connection to, like family or best friends. It's not just humans. Many animals, especially primates, use yawning as a social signal. Sometimes it's a sign of stress, or even a way to show they're feeling grumpy or dominant. And here's a heartwarming fact. Our beloved dogs can also catch yawns from their human owners. This adorable behavior indicates the strong emotional bond they share with us. Some scientists propose that contagious yawning might have played an important role in social animals. It could have helped groups stay alert or even synchronize their moods and behaviors, much like wolves howling together. So, yawning is a surprisingly complex behavior with many fascinating reasons. From keeping our brains cool to playing a role in how we connect and empathize with others, it's more than just a simple stretch. It truly is a little mystery that our amazing bodies perform almost every single day, often without us realizing the science behind it. Now that you know so much about yawning, we have to ask, who out there yawned at least once while watching this video and learning these cool facts?